Hi, this is Doug at Jammin Auto and Tire. I want to take a moment to show you our digital inspection program.
Wanted to go over with you real quick this morning what we call a digital inspection. Now, we've been doing these for about 5 years now, and what you're looking at is my computer screen, and this is what the technician out in the shop will see out on their tablet. And if you notice, I have a couple colors over here. Red means it needs immediate attention, yellow means it will need attention in the future, and green means the part is good that they're looking at. I'm going to open this up real quick. We can send this right to this customer's cell phone, and this is the report that they get. It has an overall vehicle health check right here where the vehicle's at. Gives a picture of the vehicle and other things. I'm going to scroll this through here real quick and give you an idea of a couple things that we found on this vehicle. And as I scroll down here, okay, so number 29 is a steering gearbox. What we look for in these is for leaks. You notice this one's marked green, and when I look at this picture here, that boot right there is what they actually, power steering fluid comes out and they get wet. But if you notice, that was nice and dry. So this power rack and pinion is good to go for right now. We'll scroll down a little bit further. Notice this one's in yellow, control arm bushings, and they're saying that they're torn. So if I look at this one, notice it's in yellow. This rubber bushing here, it's kind of dry rotted here, but it also has a big old crack in it. So it's not something I got to replace right this second, but it is coming up. This car is going to need control arm bushings. And then lastly, this car came in, the brake pedal was going to the floor. They recently had some brake job work done somewhere else. And what we found on this was, obviously this one's in red. The brake caliper in the left rear is leaking. And what we're able to do is actually show them a video. I'm going to play this for you real quick. It was taken out in a noisy shop, so it's a little noisy. But if you notice by that video, there's actually the brake fluid was leaking out of there, and so we were able to replace this caliper for the customer and get them back on the road. Anyway, this is what we call a digital check sheet. We do them all the time. If you ever want one done, just give us a call. Thanks. Have a great day.